Hello, Asha. Now I'm opening your file for make a little review. I I seen it on your Behance shot, and I have looked. There are some issue, but you designed it very well. It's totally awesome. So here I have some issues. Oh, and here I have no edit access. Therefore, I'm not able to make any changes. So I'm sending a access request. When you will be open, then you can approve me, or I'm just duplicating this file to my draft for make it changes. If file duplicated to my draft. So here I found just little issues, and you did it very well. Really, you did very well. Very good design. So this is your first skin, and this is the second skin. So I don't want to take more time. So everything is good here, but have some problems. Here have a little problem for alignment issue. Here you used 8 padding, sorry, gap 8 pixel. So I'm changing it to, let me change. I'm changing it to 12 or 16. So I think this will find you well. Font size 20 pixel. So I never use 20 pixel for this button. Okay, but it's very good. So we can run the preview for check. I think I think we can use here. We can use 18 pixel for buttons or 16 pixels. No problem, but it's okay. And here have some here have little issue for the checkbox, but it's okay. Okay, let me fill this. I think the font sizes very large. 20 pixel doesn't make sense, or you can keep this, but I'm keeping 16 pixel, or we can use 18 pixel, right? Okay, then we have I found another problem, and I'm again saying that you did it very well designed, very well designed. And here are the constructs this. How can I read this? This is not good design here. You, I think this button is now offering fine, and for make the sense of for readability, right? readability, here no readability. So adding a linear gradient here. So do it a little linear gradient I have added here, and hope this make a better view. Okay, let me check this. I hope this make a better view, and now I can change your button to button. Yep, but I think the button fill color 100% and white is better. It goes better with it because if we not give here a linear gradient or like something, then we have we have a problem for reading, and all thing is very good. And a little problem here. Look, just this button are looking disable. I think user will be think also this button are disable button. So I think we should use here like this, or we can use here 75% like this one, or nothing. So here look at this skin. Look here how we able to read this. Look here, we cannot read this. We cannot read the text. We cannot read the text, right? Look, I'm adding some linear gradient here for getting the, or we can use another layer for adding some gradient, or if we use 40%. Now we can read this text. Yep, right. And okay, so I think you have to add some linear gradient type of this. Though I know you are a graphic designer, very well designer. I have checked all things. Here have the same problem. We cannot read the text because this screen hurting my eyes. So if I add here a linear gradient, I'm using linear gradient because my text is set to bottom, right? So text is set to bottom. Therefore, if I add something here, like look, now now we are able to read this easily. right? We're able to read this easily. And never use font size like 10 pixel. Your font size should be minimum size should be 14 pixel or 13 pixel. Minimum size 13 pixel. It makes better readability, right? Here your padding is 2 pixel. No, it doesn't make better sense. Use 8 pixel or 12 pixel, and here 0 pixel. No, I'm using 4 pixel here. Okay, now move to the next. I think this make now better view. Okay, so I'm moving to the next screen. Let me do. Yeah, here all thing is okay. Sort sorting option, sorting option. Okay, no more. Here page seller, you are using a button, maybe button or label, but your color is, I have to change the color. Okay, you are using the color, but this color doesn't make a better view for at this time. Or you can use a random color or use a light color. Just use a light color or any random color, because every design has some random color for using, and you can use it. Something like this. I think this is not better now, but and your padding is 2 pixel. No, just use 4 pixel. 4, and every time you should multiple with 4 into 4 or 4 into, I think 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 4 16, 4 into 5, multiple it 4, because when you're making a developer handoff, they they cannot understand easily for 12 10 pixel, something somewhere 15 pixel, somewhere 10 pixel, but when you did it with 44 pixel or 40 pixel, this make better. And here this button, don't use this type of shadow. Please use smooth shadow. Use a smoother shadow, and your padding is not well here. So I'm changing it. It's 12 pixel and it's 8 pixel. No problem. And gap, and I'm changing the blur effect 8, or please 12. I think this button is now looks better, right? Or let me know in comment or reply me. Yep, this is well. This is very well. This looks very well and very cool. But your gap padding size 12 8. Okay, I have to change this background color. So and the problem is here. I highlighted this on your Behance shot. Look how you can read this text. Just leave me a on answer how you can read this text because I cannot read this text and I think either never can read this text well because here have a constant issue. So one solution can be you can keep this text just trying with keep it black and keep it also keep black. Okay, or use a linear gradient to this image for just for readability, for making a better readability because user need to read the app, need the content. If they're not able to read the your content, then how will they use it? Okay, and okay, now this text set to white. Okay, now set to white and look at this preview here. Now we are able to read this text very well. Yep. Now this is this looks very well. Yep, right. All right. And all the here and I think this video is the review is taking more time, but I have to end it soon. And don't use like this shadow. This shadow doesn't make better sense, right? Okay. If you don't use shadow, there have no problem. Or use a little type shadow, a smoother shadow, 5%. Now let's hide it. I think here we don't have need to use shadow. Okay, because when this skin was white, this skin white, then we can use shadow. Now now we can use shadow here for make the sense 15 and it's set to 15. Okay, now or when you have the it have this color like this one, maybe I don't know this color. Okay, so here we had not to add any shadow, and all thing is very good. All thing is very good. I appreciate you, and you are doing very well. Keep up your good work. So I'm ending this review, and if you find any mistake I have said or anything wrong, or then leave me on our Discord, or you can knock me personally. No problem, because at the end of the day, we all have need to learn, and I'm still learning. And today I have learned a lot from your file. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep up your good work.